I discovered how to pump a meme coin to pretty much whatever market cap you want with no effort whatsoever. This is what helped pump my Grog coin to a $260,000 market cap. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, so you can pretty much print money on demand. Now, I'm not going to waste your time, so let's get right into this. Here's how you do it. Step 1. Launch literally any meme coin. I always clone something that is trending with the cloner in meme tools, but you can launch anything you want on Pump.fun. Step 2. Head over to Coin Launch Pro. When I made my Grog coin, this is what I used, and I've been using it on every coin I launched since then to get results like this. So I initially tried out their starter launch, and every time they were able to pump the coins above a 20K market cap. And then since I had bundled it in meme tools, I was able to start selling chunks of the supply without completely rugging the coin, and made some decent money like this and this. So when my Grog coin started to get some traction after I launched it, I decided to try their momentum campaign, and things got pretty crazy. I paid 5 Solana for the promo campaign around here on the chart, and then it hit 260K market cap within about 6 hours after that. And I ended up making about 35K from it, since it was also made in meme tools, so I could sell from all the bundled wallets I had set up. So this completely blew my mind, because normally if you wanted to get this kind of marketing and buying volume on a random meme coin, you need to contact dozens of influencers, work out deals with them to shill your coin, give them potentially thousands of dollars and part of the supply, and then hope they just don't dump it right away. And it's always a huge pain in the ass. So with this site, you literally don't have to do anything. They already have a network set up to promote coins pretty much as soon as you order. So I've just been printing money with this and using it for every coin I make now. I haven't pulled the trigger on their largest package yet, but if I do, I'm going to make sure to screen record the results so I can show you guys how it works out. If you want to check out the link, it's in the description. And if you want to get serious about launching meme coins, obviously I always recommend meme tools. It looks like they still have their V2 launch offer going for 50% off. So there's a link if you want to check that out too while the offer is still going. Okay, that's all for now. I'll have some more videos showing how crazy these coin launch campaigns are coming soon. So make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm also giving away 3 Solana to a subscriber who likes this video and comments below. So make sure you don't miss out on that. Okay, talk soon. Bye.